Hello students, most welcome to Dr. Acharya Academy. Today I will brief periodic table. That means I will give one overview about the periodic table. If you want to get the all systematic class about this unit number 3 CBSE, please go through dracharyaacademy.com to get all systematic class with the problems and its solution. www.dracharyaacademy.com. This is the periodic table. This periodic table of elements consists of 118 elements, and any element in this periodic table can be written in this way. This B, as for example, boron. B is the symbol, boron is the name, and right side top it is the atomic mass, and left side top it is the atomic number. We know that atomic mass is the sum of the mass of proton and neutron. The periodic table, which is also called the periodic table of elements, it is an organized arrangement of 118 chemical elements, and in this periodic table you can see that elements are arranged from left to right in a horizontal way and top to bottom in a vertical manner. And these chemical elements is arranged according to the number of protons in an atom's nucleus, which generally coincide with increasing atomic mass. So these horizontal rows in the periodic table, these horizontal rows, it is called the periods, where each period number indicates the number of orbitals for the elements in that row. Atoms have protons and neutrons in their nucleus, and surrounding that they have their electrons arranged in orbitals, where an atomic orbital is a mathematical term that describes the location of an electron as well as its wave-like behavior. So now, for instance, period 1, it includes elements that have one atomic orbital where the electrons spin. Period number 2 has 2 atomic orbitals. Period number 3 has 3 atomic orbitals, and so on, and it is up to period number 7. The columns or groups on the periodic table represents the atomic elements that have the same number of valence electrons, or those electrons in the outermost orbital shells. That means the elements with the groups means in column, its outer shell orbitals contains same number of valence electrons. Example, electrons belongs to the group 8A. Later it is defined this group as group number 18. These elements have a full set of 8 electrons in the highest energy orbital. Elements that occupy the same column, that means in the vertical way on the periodic table, it is called a group. And these elements, I already mentioned, have identical valence electron configuration and consequently behave in a similar fashion chemically. Instance, group number 18 elements, these all elements are inert gas. Inert gas means they don't react with any other elements. So this is the brief about the periodic table, and if you want to go details each and every aspect, please visit dracharyaacademy.com, and thank you so much for watching this class.